Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a quick unboxing and a review of this awesome looking TackLife 100 watt foldable solar panel. This is model SP100. As you can see on the box, it says ID number GSY100W. It's made from monocrystalline cells. So let's go ahead and look at the back of the box to show you some specs, and then I will go ahead and unbox it. Alright, so here you can see on the back of the box it says peak power is 100 watts, open circuit voltage is 21.6 volts, the cell efficiency is 23%, short circuit current is 6.1 amps. Then we have the power voltage, it's 18 volts. It has two USB ports. One is USB-A output at 5 volts at 2.4 amps. Power current 5.55 amps, which is and then they have a USB-C output running at 5 volts at 3 amps. Then here's some basic company information, and let's go ahead and see what's inside the box so I can show you how well this company packs their folding solar panels. So I'll show you that right now. So inside the box, the solar panel is wrapped with like a heavy duty kind of like a bubble wrap bag, I would say. And then there's also styrofoam on the left hand side and the right hand side, so it comes well protected in a nice strong cardboard box, which something I appreciate from any company that does that. So they definitely care about their customers. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out and I'll show you what it looks like unfolded and folded. Alright guys, so inside the box you can see that you get a warranty card, and it says get extra 12 months of warranty now if you go ahead and scan the product and register it online. And on the back of this warranty registration card, you can scan that QR code and it will take you directly to their website. That's something that's nice. Any extra warranty on the house is always appreciated. So here you see a TackLife user manual for solar panels. It's showing you basically it shows you the model number and the ID number. And here is a QR code, excuse me. And then on the back of here you see their phone number, their website. You see a basic manual. It seems like it's straightforward. Shows you the model number. Here's some facts right here, some frequently asked questions. Here's some more information and whatnot. So let's go ahead and look at the solar panel itself and what it has to offer. So here's what the solar panel looks like when it's folded. This is, I guess you can say, it's the front. And on the back, it's just basically plain. It's plain black. But honestly, I just received the solar panel yesterday in the mail, and I am so excited, as I did purchase this product from out of my own pocket. So, and it seems like it's a very well built solar panel. It's heavy duty. If you're wondering what it looks like and how it feels like it's made some very good quality material. I'm not sure what this material is, but it feels like it's a non-slip material. And then let me go ahead and fold it for you guys and show you what's on the back and the front. So this is what the solar panel looks like when it's unfolded. I would say it's about 3.5 to 4 feet long by about 24 inches high, give or take. I don't have the exact measurements, to be honest, but it really seems like it's made out of some heavy duty material that's gonna last you a long time. And one thing I do like about this is that you see these orange circles right here. These are magnets that are inside, so whenever you fold the solar panel, they snap pretty hard. And these are nice heavy duty rubberized orange handles. So this is a very smart design. Honestly, I can't think of a better design to make a folding solar panel. If you're interested in a solar panel that's ready for traveling, ready on the go, that does not take much space, something that's gonna last you a while, and it's also advertised to be waterproof as well. So let's go ahead and look at the back. So right back here you see two folding I was gonna say kickstands, but right back here you see two stands that are built into the solar panel. This is one and this is the other one, and these just fold out, and there's some heavy duty Velcro. I hope you guys can see this right now. There's some heavy duty Velcro, so they do have some good support. If you look at the stands that are in the back right from this angle, and they seem to work very well. I mean, it's a bit windy outside right now, maybe 5 to 8 miles per hour winds, but it's definitely holding up well. And then right back here on the right hand side, you have like a pouch with a zipper. Oops. So once you open this, you see some basic information that it's RoHS compliant, it's made in China. There's the model, Solar SAAA SP100. It's basically giving you the same information as it was on the back of the box, some basic specifications and whatnot. And you can see that right in here, you get 10 different charging ports for different power stations, I would assume, and whatnot. So, and then right over here, you can see that this has a USB-C and a USB-A charging ports, which comes very handy. And then this cable right here, this is a nice thick heavy duty cable, and this looks like a DC 5521 charging port. Correct me if I'm wrong. Anybody can correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section, but I'm gonna try this here in a moment to see. But this is very nice. Some of the solar panels, some other solar panels come with the MC4 connectors, the male and the female, but this comes with a DC direct port, which is nice too. There's no problem. That's a nice heavy duty cable. So this concludes my unboxing and full review of the TackLife 100 watt folding solar panel. If you guys enjoyed this video and if you have found any benefits in my video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you are brand new here, and hit that like button. I know it doesn't cost you anything, but it's really a very big deal to me, because that's how YouTube advertises and that's how you get more views and more subscribers. So let me know what you guys think of this cool looking solar panel. If you are interested in such a nice heavy duty waterproof solar panel that's ready on the go, that will supply you with 100 watts, go ahead and look in the link description for the links, and let me know what you guys think. And if you have any questions and concerns, go ahead and drop me a line in the comment section, and I'll get back to you soon. Other than that, thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.